So in today's video, I'll be sharing the recipe of a dish that actually enhances the flavor of any item that is on your plate. I'm talking about spicy, tangy and very flavorful whole green chili stir fry, or you can call it instant green chili pickle. Can be made within 5 minutes and it actually will enhance your taste buds and will multiply the flavors to 5 times. Do try out and let me know how it turned out. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, do subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos so much. So let's begin with this yummy and tangy delicious green chili stir fry. So here I have taken green chili. I have actually washed them and now I need to pat it dry using a tissue paper. In this way, it's very important we remove the excess moisture, and I washed them nicely, and now it's time to cut these green chilies into half. So the best way is to use a scissor. I actually will use a scissor and will cut the green chili in half in this way. Start from bottom towards the top portion in this way, and I have not taken out the upper portion. This is it. The green chili is cut into half. In the same way, I'll cut all the green chilies. If you have a spicy one, you can use gloves. It's completely your choice. So here my green chilies are done, and some spices I have taken here. So for the spices, to flavor them, I have taken 1 tablespoon of mustard powder. Black mustard I had taken 1 tablespoon and just grinded them without any water. And I have some dry mango powder, amchur powder, 1 tablespoon. That actually accounts for the tangy taste. And turmeric powder half teaspoon, red chili powder half a teaspoon. You can rate the spiciness of the green chili and increase or decrease the amount of red chili powder. Crushed fennel powder 2 tablespoon, black salt 1 teaspoon, white salt and some lemon juice. So here I have heated 3 tablespoon of mustard oil. Wait till it's nice, hot and smoky, and 1/4 teaspoon of black cumin goes in, some asafoetida or hing that goes in, and in high flame I'll add the green chilies first. So for initial 2 minutes I'll stir fry these green chilies with the mustard oil and the asafoetida and black cumin. This will actually seal the outer portion of the green chili. We don't want this green chili to release its moisture, so it will be nicely stir fried. So it's very important we do it in high flame. First 2 minutes in high flame, you can see these green chilies will actually be nicely stir fried, and when you see these green chilies are done, it will take just 2 minutes. You can feel the aroma. I'll add all the crushed masala, the fennel seeds, the turmeric powder, red chili powder, black salt, and adjust white salt accordingly. The mustard powder and amchur powder goes in, and after you have added these dry spices, just reduce the flame to medium. It's very important. Do not roast these dry spices in high flame, otherwise it will instantly burn. So in medium flame, just toss for 1 minute, and you can see the dry masala has been nicely absorbed by the mustard oil and the base is perfectly clear. There's absolutely no moisture. This is what we want. Nicely stirred fried green chilies, and has mingled with the flavor of this beautiful amchur powder, mustard powder. Everything goes off very nicely, and now after mixing it, just roast it in medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes more, and then switch off the flame. After switching off the flame, squeeze half a lemon, or you can 1 tablespoon of lemon juice it is. Give it a mix, and our tangy spicy green chilies are done. Wait till it cools down, and then you can keep it in an airtight container, and it can be kept in fridge for nice 6 to 7 days, and it is so heavenly. It goes very well with your any rice thalis, and in winter of course we prepare lots and lots of parathas, Indian stuffed bread. This also goes best with that. Try this out. This will actually transform your taste buds, because all this amchur powder, mustard powder will give a very nice taste, leave a very nice taste in your tongue. Do try it out and let me know how this goes with your food, and I hope it really transforms your mood. I literally love this. So now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment of the day is from Pratima Sahu. She writes, "Wow, Di, so yummy, your voice is so incredible, which attract me to listen you." Thank you so much, Pratima. Thank you so much for listening to me, for liking my videos, and actually taking a time to see my videos and replying me back. Thank you for all your love and support. Stay safe and stay connected. And this recipe of stir fried whole green chilies with spicy chatpati Indian masala is a sure hit. Do give it a try And you can also follow So's Food Corner English on Instagram and Facebook. If you have liked today's video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends, and not forget to subscribe to my page. Thank you for watching my videos. Stay safe, love life, and happy fooding.